Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 358 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called One Steady Step, a quiet reminder that you don't need to see the whole path to keep going. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. You may feel unsure today. You may feel behind, tired, or unfocused. That's okay. Instead of looking ahead, bring your attention right here to this breath, this moment, this small point of steadiness. Let your body settle where it is. Let your breath move at its own pace. Now, say to yourself, I don't need all the answers. I only need this moment. And one steady step is enough. Notice how grounding it feels to stop pushing forward and simply arrive where you are. When you're ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry the quiet confidence of one steady step at a time. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.